Hello, everyone! If you are a YouTuber or planning to start a YouTube channel, then today's video is going to be a game changer for you. In this video, I'm going to share ChatGPT secrets that are helping creators go viral on YouTube. These are not random tips. These are smart ways to use ChatGPT to save time, improve content, and grow faster. Make sure you watch till the end because the last secret is the most powerful one. Let's get started. Secret number 1. Find viral video ideas using ChatGPT. One of the biggest problems YouTubers face is, what video should I make today? With ChatGPT, you can generate unlimited viral video ideas for your niche. Just ask something like, give me viral YouTube video ideas for my niche. This helps you stay consistent and never run out of content. Secret number 2. Create strong hooks that stop scrolling. The first 5 to 10 seconds of your video decide everything. If your hook is weak, people leave. ChatGPT can help you write powerful hooks that grab attention instantly. For example, write a 10-second YouTube hook that makes people watch till the end. Strong hooks equals better retention equals more reach. Secret number 3. Click-worthy titles and thumbnails. Even the best video will fail if the title and thumbnail are boring. With ChatGPT, you can create clickable titles and thumbnail text that trigger curiosity. More clicks mean higher CTR, and higher CTR helps your video get pushed by YouTube. Secret number 4. Viral short scripts in seconds. YouTube Shorts are one of the fastest ways to grow right now. ChatGPT can generate short, punchy, viral scripts for 15 to 30-second shorts. Clear message, strong hook, and fast delivery. Perfect for the Shorts algorithm. Secret number 5. SEO-optimized description, tags, and hashtags. Many creators ignore descriptions and tags, but YouTube search still matters. ChatGPT can write SEO-friendly descriptions, tags, and hashtags that help your videos rank and get discovered by new viewers. Secret number 6. 30-day content plan with ChatGPT. Consistency is the real secret behind successful channels. With ChatGPT, you can create a complete 30-day content plan for your channel, ideas, titles, and even scripts. This removes confusion and keeps you consistent. Bonus secret: save time and avoid burnout. ChatGPT doesn't replace creativity, it supports it. It helps you save time, reduce stress, and focus more on recording and improving your delivery. Smart creators use tools, struggling creators ignore them. So, these were the real ChatGPT secrets to go viral on YouTube. If you use ChatGPT the right way for ideas, hooks, titles, and planning, your YouTube journey becomes easier, faster, and more organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments if you want ChatGPT prompts or a viral shorts guide. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.